Hello and welcome to the Financial Room. I'm your host, Natasha Birch-Mohan, president of the Birch Group of Companies and mortgage broker of Mortgage Intelligence. Today's topic is called A Home of Their Own, New Immigrants Face Hurdles. This is a very interesting topic, and hopefully this will engage you, my viewers, to speak to your friends and family members that have become new immigrants in this wonderful country called Canada. Over 280,000 new immigrants arrived in Canada in 2010. Based on the latest statistic, and that is more than a 50% increase over the last 50 years. What does that mean? Very simple. As new immigrants come over from abroad to this wonderful country, they're coming with young ones, and they're also coming with their spouses, and they're creating a family safe haven in this wonderful country. As they transition to from renters into new homeowners, they're facing a lot of hurdles. And some of these major hurdles we're going to talk about, and we're going to help educate you, help educate your friends and family. And if you are a new immigrant, take a pen and pencil and start writing, because this is going to be a lot of interesting information to help you become a first-time home buyer in Canada. So some of the unforeseeable obstacles, if I may say, that new immigrants are facing, first of all, is the lack of credit history. So new immigrants are coming from a country where they have established credit already, or some of these countries don't even have a credit system. So they're coming to buying a home, and there is no credit history with Equifax or TransUnion Canada. So basically what we want to do is we want to help educate the new immigrants and helping them provide a source in terms of getting resources and tools and helping them build new credit in this country. Of course, banks are also asking for larger down payments. If you don't have credit or you don't have an established employment, because most new immigrants are coming to be self-employed or they just started working in this wonderful country, and they're having restrictions and hurdles in terms of down payment too as well. So there are, however, opportunities. Working with a great brokerage team like myself, NB and team through Mortgage Intelligence, we're able to have access to more lenders that specialize in new immigrant loan mortgage products. Loans are available, but it's getting the right expert on your side to give you that advice as a new immigrant, to help you, provide you with all of the options that are available for you. Now, there are some really great products out where if you are a new immigrant, you can actually purchase with as little as 5% down payment, just as long as that down payment is coming from your own resources. What does that mean? At least having it 90 days in your savings account or in an investment account. Materials to be prepared for is you want to have copies of work permits. So you don't necessarily have to be a landed immigrant. You can actually own a home in this country now with copies of work permit. Of course, having a social insurance number helps too as well. An employment letter from your employer is, of course, credit reference. If you don't have any credit right now in this country, but you may have credit reference from your old country, bringing those documentations to Canada and provide it to your mortgage team will not only help the underwriting be a lot more competitive on your behalf, but also give you a lot of baton, a lot of negotiation with your mortgage broker and the lender to help fight for that approval for you. Of course, down payment. Down payment is also a very tricky one. So if you're putting less than 25% down and you're going through a high ratio program, you're going to want to make sure that those down payment are coming from savings. And if it's abroad, to ensure that it's approved and the information and the documentation and the funds are going to be arriving on time. As always, we're here for you, for all of our new immigrants, and of course our Canadian citizens too as well, to help you get the best mortgage product that you deserve, not only the lowest interest rate, but also the most competitive golden policy possible. You can always visit us on our website at www.thebridgegroup.ca or call us toll free at 1-866-553-7467. Thank you for watching today's episode. Until next time, have a great one.